Hello friends, welcome to Tanushri's reading room once again. And today I am going to discuss with you some benefits of Skype learning. As we all know that Skype is a very popular application which is used for making video calls, for sending messages. You can also do lots of interactions, important interactions. You can conduct meetings. You can have your um, own courses. You can interact with teachers, tutors from various countries. You can interact with anybody from anywhere sitting in your home via Skype, which is absolutely comfortable and very much popular nowadays. So why is Skype learning very much beneficial for a particular learner of any age group? It is much more comfortable because you can sit at home and take up the course in your preferred time. You can do it in privacy, and you can also set up your own group of learners. You can assimilate your own friends or your own contacts or people of your choices, and you can set up an environment of taking up a course or a lesson in your own private environment. Then it makes you feel more relaxed and less nervous, because whenever we are trying to learn a new language, or whenever we are trying to uh, learn some advanced levels in a new language, or a language which we already know but we want to enhance the skills we are having in it, we are a bit nervous. So learning in a private setup gives you more freedom, gives you more confidence, and you are able to express yourself freely. You are more focused because when you are in a crowd, or when you are in a setup which is not of your preference, you generally get diverted and distracted from your goals, or from your uh, willingness to learn. So this particular setup gives you a more focused way of learning. Yeah, of course, learning online gives you freedom from lots of worksheets, and you get a facility of learning from native speakers or international teachers, or teachers of your choice, so that you get to learn the specific thing you want from your specifically chosen teacher. You can discuss your problems and weaknesses in more details. Unlike when you are in a crowd, you are unable to express yourself. You are sometimes shy, or even if you are not shy, you are not given the deserved time slot for yourself, which in which you could have detailed out your problems or elaborated out your problems. So this is possible over Skype and over online learning. And if you are forming your own group of friends, or your own group of colleagues, or your own group of contacts, or your own group of relatives, and you are taking up a course over Skype, it gives you more, you can say, it gives you a jovial environment, and you feel less bored and less static about the learning process. You feel more dynamic, you feel more enthusiastic, you feel more happy. The most important thing is feeling happy and feeling satisfied about whatever you are learning. So I think this is an overview of what Skype learning is, and yes, you can come up with your new ideas. If you want to share your ideas, you can inbox me, you can share it in your comments. I'm going to share this over my YouTube channel, as well as over my Facebook, my Twitter, and my Instagram. And you can also share your comments there. You can come up with your own ideas, you can come up with your own preferences, with your own choices. And if you are seriously interested, you can email me in the email address given below, that is mitra.tanushri86@gmail.com. And please feel free to discuss any problems that you are having. And I'm sure you will be really helped by this process, by this new methodology, which is absolutely friendly and easy to carry out. So bye bye for now. Take care and stay happy.